we're going to be doing a review and unboxing the MPow M12 true wireless earbuds. Let's take a look at the box. This is another one of those pillbox style charging cases. The earbuds are completely wireless. They have a microphone on them. They have a battery in them to give you some wireless freedom. And the pillbox itself also has a bigger battery inside it, which lets you charge the earbuds on the go and gives you about 20 or so hours of charge. There's a twin and mono mode, which means that you can either have stereo sound coming out of the two earbuds, but you can also turn one of them off and only use one in mono mode. These earbuds have a touch sensitive area. It allows you to control your music, increase, decrease the volume, and skip the tracks. Open and connect instantly. Now this one is a bit new. As soon as you open the pillbox, it turns the headset on, which lets it pair with your phone. So even before you take them out and put them inside your ears, they're already connected. We have Bluetooth 5.0. It's a lower power protocol, so it extends battery life a little bit. And also the audio codecs used for streaming the music are a bit more advanced than the older Bluetooth versions. You get higher quality audio with Bluetooth 5. Operation range is standard with all MPow headsets, 33 feet or 10 meters. Music and talk time is listed as 5 hours and then 20 hours. So you get 5 hours with the earbuds and 20 extra hours with the pillbox that you can use to charge the earbuds in 5-hour increments. The charging time is listed as 2 hours. So you plug them in, 2 hours later, the pillbox should be charged with the earbuds inside them also charged. Charging voltage is standard USB, 5 volts, 1 amp. They provide a charging cable inside each box. Wireless profiles, fairly standard, headset profile, headphone profile, A2DP for music, and AVRCP to control your music wirelessly over Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and open this box. Let's try and take them out of the box itself. So here is the pillbox, the main charging case with the bigger battery. The pillbox itself is like the ones we've seen in the past. It's got this matte type finish on the front and a glossy MPow logo through the center. The rim is glossy. It's got a little, place where you can slide your fingernail and open the box. Has a left and right earbud marking, and then the cradle for your earbuds to sit in and charge with the pogo pins. On the front over here, we have some LEDs to tell us the state of charge of the battery. And if we close them, they turn on, showing that the battery is fully charged. At the back, we have some information about the model, some information about the battery and the charge rate. On the back, we have a USB-C charge port. Right now we are looking at the left earbud. It is more of an updated design. This length over here is a bit longer, so it goes a bit more inside your ear canal, which in my opinion is a good design choice because it makes for a better seal and reduces the outside noise that might be getting in and disturbing your music. You can keep the volume lower and enjoy your music. On the back over here, we have the MPow logo, the touch sensitive area. It's flat compared to the other MPow earbuds that I've seen. When grabbing the earbud while it's in your ear to adjust the fit, you can easily avoid the touch sensitive area and avoid accidentally pausing your music or skipping the track or changing the volume, which has been the case with some of the other MPow earbuds that we've seen. They're really good build quality. The tips are a more matte type of rubber, so this one seems to stick inside the ear canal quite well. I haven't had them fall out of my ears yet. These are actually a very comfortable fit in my opinion. So inside the box, we get a USB-C cable. One end is USB-A and the other end is USB-C. It's a fairly short cable, but it gets the job done. You also get some more of these rubber tips. There is auto pairing setup, so how to pair them. we'll go over this as well. And we get the very detailed manual and warranty card. As far as audio quality is concerned, I really like the audio quality on the MPow M12s. They make a better seal with your ears. Let's go ahead and try and pair them with this Android phone that we have. So we'll start the Android pairing area and we will touch the multifunction button until we hear that it's powering on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Looks like they are in pairing mode now, and they are available for pairing over here. It says pair with MPow M12. We're going to go ahead and click pair. So if we go in here, so this is what I was talking about, guys, right here. The first line says it's HD audio AAC codec. So this is what I meant about the better audio quality compared to Bluetooth 4.0. So Bluetooth 5, this is very important that this new HD audio is supported on these MPow headsets. So if your phone supports Bluetooth 5 and it has a Qualcomm chipset, most likely your phone will be able to supply these headphones with better quality audio of Bluetooth 5.0. So that's also something that is good about these headphones. Comfort-wise, they're very comfortable in the ear. The price is really great. They're $30. I think for the price point, these are really awesome headphones. Comparatively with the previous generations of these MPow pillbox style headphones, I believe that the multifunction touch sensitive areas have been really improved because of the new design where they're super flat. I've actually not been using any of the other MPow headsets that I have, so I highly recommend these ones. These MPow M12s are a great incremental upgrade from the previous pillbox style MPow headsets. Battery life has been really good on these as well. I've actually just charged this maybe twice and I've been listening to them quite a bit. I know a lot of you guys ask about the sound quality while making calls. So what I did was I've actually done some comparisons with the microphone that these guys have inside them compared with my favorite MPow headsets to make the calls with, which is the MPow Jaws. And I compared them with the MacBook Pro's internal microphone. This is the sound quality through my MacBook Pro's internal microphone. This is the sound quality of the MPow M12 microphone over Bluetooth. This is the sound quality of the MPow Jaws headset microphone over Bluetooth. I'll also do another video where I compare all of the MPow headsets that I have fairly soon, so stay tuned for that. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm making new videos every week. They range from topics such as these reviews to DIY and electronics and cool projects here and there. So make sure you subscribe if you guys found this video helpful, and be sure to check out some of the other content that I've been posting recently. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you guys next time.